Happy winters to everyone. Welcome back to the channel, The English Castle. So, the winters are here and we are ready to embrace the new season of this year. And yes, we are going to enter the last month of the year. So, quickly in your mind, wrap up all the good things and throw away the bad things which are there in your mind and free yourself. By decluttering yourself is a good idea so that we are making space for new things, new memories, more love in our life. So let's embrace each day with open arms and an open heart. So let's get started with today's video. In today's video, I am going to help you learn introducing yourself. We find very often that we are not able to introduce ourselves. We fumble. हम बोलते बोलते अटक जाते हैं या हम कॉन्फिडेंट नहीं होते. हम अपने आप को कैसे इंट्रोड्यूस करें, क्या बोले, कैसे बोले. तो आज हम लोग इंट्रोडक्शन सीखेंगे. आप अपने आप को कैसे प्रेजेंट करें, आपका बॉडी लैंग्वेज कैसा होना चाहिए, आपकी टोन कैसी होनी चाहिए, कहीं आपका ओवर कॉन्फिडेंस आपको एरोगेंट ना दिखा दे. और कई बारी क्या होता है, हमें जब बोलने नहीं आता है, मैंने ये अक्सर देखा है कि व्हेन वी आर नॉट एबल टू कम्युनिकेट इन इंग्लिश, तो हमारे अंदर ऑटोमेटिकली एक स्टेप डाउन हो जाते हैं. हम लेस कॉन्फिडेंट भी हो जाते हैं और दूसरा हमें सामने वाले को ऐसे लगता है ये बंदा शाय है. So eventually, with each step, we will learn how to be confident, how to make small sentences, how to speak, how to practice. So, my dear viewers, you keep learning, keep practicing, give at least 15-20 minutes every day in your day-to-day life so that you are picking up any topic and speaking. Make it a point to practice with your friends so that it will help you to remove hesitations. It will help you to overcome the fear of speaking in public. It will help you to overcome this fear of speaking in English. और हम लोग बोलते ही नहीं है, तो जब हमें बोलने का टर्न आता है तो हम बोल नहीं पाते. तो इसीलिए आप थोड़ी देर जरूर निकालिए और उसके लिए प्रैक्टिस करें. तो आज का जो टॉपिक है, हाउ टू इंट्रोड्यूस योरसेल्फ. सी, इन ईच एज वी हैव अ डिफरेंट लेवल ऑफ इंट्रोडक्शन. वी हैव अ डिफरेंट ग्रुप टू बी इंट्रोड्यूस्ड. लेट्स गेट बैक. इफ आई एम अ टीनेजर, मैं अपने आप को अगर फ्रेंड्स क्या इंट्रोड्यूस कर रही हूँ, आई हैव गॉन टू अ पार्टी और वहां पे मेरे न्यू फ्रेंड्स हैं या कुछ अननोन लोग हैं जिनके सामने मुझे अपने आप को इंट्रोड्यूस करना है. सेकेंड ग्रुप होता है, एक एज ग्रुप होता है जहां हम प्रोफेशनल हैं या कोई प्रोफेशनल गैदरिंग है जहां पे हम अपने आप को इंट्रोड्यूस कर रहे हैं. Then when you are a mother, and then that time you are introducing yourself to your child's other parents, like other parents in the group, or in your in-laws. You have got recently married and you are introducing yourself to your extended family. So different places are there where we need a proper introduction, where we are the hero and we want to be confident, we want to be like flawless. So let's practice a little. What are the things which are going to be covered in your introduction? First and the foremost thing is, which I personally feel, is your body language and the tone of speaking. When you're speaking, your body language speaks louder than that. So when you're speaking, your shoulders should be broad, your handshake should be firm, and you should have a smile on your face when you're speaking. And with a very warmth in your heart, you should introduce yourself. First and the basic thing I would like to help you with the conversation and with the speaking part is, आप अपने अंदर से कॉन्फिडेंट रहिए, आप अपने अंदर से कनेक्टेड रहिए, and then things will start falling into places. So be confident and start slowly. So first thing is, whenever you're introducing your body language and your tone, be polite. Don't change your voice. Don't try to put an accent in your English. Hi, I'm Jocelyn. ऐसे नहीं, just a simple the way you speak. So don't improvise on any accent. Speak in a normal English, the way you speak. And let's get started. Whenever you are speaking, introducing yourself, introduce confidently, use a polite tone, greetings. कौन सा टाइम हो रहा है उस समय, अगर आप गुड मॉर्निंग बोलेंगे, गुड आफ्टरनून बोलेंगे, 4 बजे है तो यू विल आफ्टर 4 p.m. यू विल से गुड इवनिंग एवरीवन. So that is the way you start with your introduction. Then put your name. Good evening, everyone. I am Jasleen, and I am a trainer. I help people with the personality development and spoken English. I have worked for a school for dash dash years. So this is a small introduction. I can speak, right? So you have to give your name, and you can speak about like the whole name with surname. Then your background, share something. Now suppose you are in a professional meeting, and or you have gone to a new place where you have started working. So put a smile on your face and then introduce, share a bit about a background. Hi everyone, I am Jasleen. I have worked for dash dash schools for so many years, and I have joined this school with great hopes. I am also a mother, and I'm looking forward to work in this school. So this is the way you are going to speak. Then speak about background. What have you done? What is your current role? What are you going to do in your present role? What are the expectations? Suppose आप कहीं पे बॉस बन के गए हैं, या कहीं आपने न्यू acquaintance की है, then definitely speak about your experience and your expertise. What experience are you holding? आपने कहाँ पे काम किया है? आपकी क्या एक्सपर्टीज है? आपकी क्या एसेट्स हैं जो आप बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग हो, या आप यहाँ पे वो चेंज कर सकते हो? आपकी अदर देन योर प्रोफेशनल लाइफ, व्हाट एल्स डू यू लाइक? Some people are very good in yoga, some people are very good in their sports activity, or somebody is good in cooking, baking, or anything which is other than their professional life. So people like to have a bit of personal touch also. So don't miss on this. Definitely share something other than the work. I'm passionate about gardening. I have a small garden in the house, and I have a terrace garden, and I have put many plants over there, which I love to cater in my free time. तो इस तरीके से आपने अपनी एक पर्सनल टच भी दिया है अपनी प्रोफेशनल इंट्रोडक्शन में. And then you're talking about a current situation. In your current situation, you will like जैसे अगर आप कहीं प्रोफेशनल मीटिंग में गए हैं या कोई कॉन्फ्रेंस में गए हैं, so there you can say, hello everyone, I am Jasleen. I am working for so and so school, and currently I am based in so and so city. Okay, so objective or the purpose. Why are you here? आप क्यों इस मीटिंग में आए हैं? आप इस न्यू जॉब में क्यों आए हैं? आपका क्या एम है यहाँ पे आने के लिए? तो वहां पे आप तब बताओगे कि आई वॉन्ट टू एक्सप्लोर, आई वॉन्ट टू लर्न, आई हैव हर्ड वेरी हाई अबाउट दिस प्लेस, एंड आई वॉन्ट टू आई वॉन्ट टू बी पार्ट ऑफ इट, so that it helps me grow professionally and personally. तो इस तरीके से आप अपने आप को बुलाओगे. आई एम हियर टुडे, आई एम लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू वर्क, आई एम लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू हैव अ ग्रेट एक्सपीरियंस विद ग्रेट पीपल ओवर हियर. तो इस तरीके से आप बोल सकते हो. दिस इज फॉर योर प्रोफेशनल थिंग. देन क्लोजिंग, conclude with a positive note. I am excited to be here, and I'm eager to learn many more things. I'm eager to connect with each one of you. So you have to have a conclusion in the end. Suppose you have gone for a kitty party and you are new in that group. So you can very politely have a smilingly introduce, hi everyone, I'm Jasleen. I am a homemaker. Or you can say, hi everyone, I'm Jasleen. I'm a fashion designer. I have my own boutique. at Marine Drive, and you can drop in anytime if you want to shop something Western and Indian in my place. Well, I'm also a mother of two, and I place at Juhu. I live at Juhu currently, and I love my work. It's my passion. So you can have a small introduction like this. And if you're gone for a professional conference where you're going to meet people of different, from different places of the same profession, so there you can have a very confident and a smart way of saying, "Hi everyone, this is Jasleen, and I am Jasleen, and I work for so and so school, and I have a dash many years of experience, and I was very excited to attend this conference because I had heard that I'm going to learn a great thing. The topics which are going to be covered are very good. So I was looking forward to meet the guest list. तो आप इस तरीके से अपने आप को बता सकते हैं. So this way it helps you to have a फ्रेमवर्क. अगर आप एक स्टूडेंट है तो आप अपने आप को ऐसे इंट्रोड्यूस कर सकते हैं. हेलो एवरीवन, आई एम निशा. I have complete. I'm a student of first year science. I am studying in NM College, Mumbai, and I want to pursue CA after my. I'm also pursuing CA, and 5 years down the line, I see myself working with the XYZ firm. I'm passionate about reading and trekking. Every now and then, as I get time from my busy schedule, I plan a trek and go out. Mm. So you can have a small introduction if you are a college student like this. So definitely बच्चों को तो बहुत exposure रहता है. They have every now and then get a chance to speak. But we as adults have very limited exposure when we are placed. So keep practicing. If you want to improve yourself, practice is the only way you can improve your speaking. Rather, practice is the only way if you want to improve any arena of your life. आप अपने जीवन में कोई भी चीज को चेंज करना चाहते हैं, आप प्रैक्टिस से ही कर सकते हो. So with this, we come to the end of this video. Do share and comment how you like this video. And do let me know which topics you want to watch the videos on. Thank you.